welcome everyone to the final presentation and closing ceremony today of the FPT's Global Leadership Program.
So first of all, I want to congratulate our students on the completion of a program. So we have secret working together, learning together, and I can see that after the video and after the final presentation, I can see that you have gained not just knowledge about the leadership, but many other things like the teamwork, the cultural understanding, and most importantly is the friendship among different peers from different country and culture. So this is really impressive.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again, oh.
Hello everyone, this is Brian from Team Masters and also a student of Temasek Polytechnic. And now that this program has come to an end, I have a feeling that I'm really going to miss this program, especially on every Saturday. And I also believe our team's group chat will become really quiet after this, but we have shared our Instagrams and we follow one another. So I guess we'll still keep in touch. So as for the leadership aspect, I learned how to become a better leader, obviously, by, of course, interacting more with these students, friends from other nationalities, and of course also listening to the VIP talks and then trying to brainstorm between my group members and everything. It was really interactive, and I enjoyed every moment of it. So as for all the students here and all the participants here, I would like to wish all of you really good health and good luck for this year, for the rest of this year and also coming years. So please stay safe, take care, and then we will meet again.